slime and I bang it up. We banging a window. It's red and we pour it up. My diamonds, they glowing up. She waiting, she wanna fuck. Be patient, I'm counting up.
Alright, what is up guys? iReviewStuff back here once again, and today we're going to be taking a look at these off-white rubber dunks in the black or green colorway from my girl Bernice over at ShoeOut.ru. Before I get into the video, if you're new to the channel and you do like what you see as the video continues, think about subscribing, drop a like on the video, turning on notifications, and follow my Instagram at iReviewStuffTV. Link is always in the description. For those of y'all who don't fuck with what you see, you can click off the video. It's as simple as that. I don't condone buying any of the stuff shown in the videos, but you guys do what you want with your money, like I do with mine, like I always say. So let's get into it, man. Not gonna hold y'all anymore. Already reviewed a pair of these. This is more of a correct version, honestly, with the zip tie, comes with an extra set of laces, all that sort of stuff. So yeah, quick little overview, but here's all the information. So the website's right there. WhatsApp, WeChat, Instagram is at ShoeOut666, and if you use the code iReviewStuff, you can save yourself $20 site-wide. So take advantage of that if you guys do want. Don't condone buying anything, but you guys do what you want with your money, like I do with mine. So without further ado, let's get into it. These took about 2 weeks to get here, maybe a week and a half, something like that. With, what were these? I think these were EMS, shipped by EMS, I believe. But this is a box. Got the black Nike on the chrome box. You got the size tag right there. They do come in size 13. Black, white, green strike. So yeah, rest of the box pretty simple. Nothing crazy going on. Got lots of holes all over the place. Inside the box, just get this paper, and the rest of the box is of course just brown like a regular shoe box. So let's run for the box. Throw it to the side real quick. And low-key, these shoes are kind of heavy, honestly. I'm just taking that in right now, just holding them and stuff. But yeah, overall this version does look better. You saw the previous pair that was not a personal pair, but this is a personal pair. Obviously they are my size, so yeah, pretty dope, man. But first of all, just with the stuff that it comes with an extra set of laces, black text on green laces to match the rest of the shoe. If you wish to put those on, put them on. Got the little made in Vietnam tags on each side. And then you do also have this correct zip tie. I believe this is correct. It is flocked, so it is fuzzy. Doesn't have any text on it at all. So y'all can see that texture on there. So that looks pretty on point. I haven't watched any official unboxing videos of this, of these in retail, but nonetheless, it looks good to me. So laces on the shoes. You got the black flat laces with the green text. Rest of the shoe though, man, looks pretty clean. I got a fit planned out for these. Honestly, gonna be kind of hard to pull off because it's just a t-shirt, and it's getting cold here. So, but we'll see what we can get popping on these hoes. Even though I have a girl, but you know, you gotta be flexing on these guys too, man. Gotta let them know what's good. Jokes, don't flex, be humble. I just like looking good at the end of the day, man. I don't really care what people think about what I wear, so it is what it is. But yeah, generally shoe looks good. No glue really all over the place, so it's nice to see. Stitching's on point. But yeah, pretty simple shoe. I mean, you guys have already seen a review, so I'm not going to hold y'all for too long on these. I'm sure you've seen other reviews, as well as if you're already subscribed to the channel, you've probably seen the other review. But yeah, quick little overview. This definitely feels like a better pair than the other one. I don't know if it's just the difference in when they shipped. This is just an updated batch. I'm not too sure. But yeah, Off-White for Nike rubber dunk. Beaverton, Oregon, USA, C 2019. Got the Nike here on the back. Air bubble here as well. So yeah, overall these bitches look pretty clean, honestly. For being an ugly ass shoe, they look clean. Not gonna front. Bottom of the shoe, it's just that green all over. And yeah, man, pretty dope. Like I said, the shoe is probably the easiest one to pull off out of all the ones that are released of the rubber dunks, just because I mean the green, yeah, it's vibrant, but yeah. So like I was saying before my video cut, because I'm running out of space, guys, I promise I'm getting a new phone soon. 250 gigs of storage, 256. So won't have to worry about that for too much longer, but my phone's full to the brim. So sorry for the cuts on these videos until I get my new phone, but it is what it is. So yeah, like I said, pretty simple shoe to rock. It's all black for the most part with some obviously green accents. So I mean, as long as you don't do too much with other colors on your fit, pretty simple to rock. So that's the left, or that's the right shoe, sorry. This is the left. Let's get through this video pretty quick. I gotta keep these videos to a minimum, or else I'm gonna be fucking cutting, you know, like 3 videos into one just with these all these cuts. But y'all see the shoe, stitching's on point, no glue marks. It's pretty much all you want to see in a shoe, honestly. So proper. Inside the shoe, size tag right there, size 13. So yeah, it's nice to see that these are 13 too. A lot of dunks don't go up to that size with UA shoes, so definitely a good change. Sorry for zooming in and out, trying to focus, keep hitting that by accident. But yeah, man, that's pretty much it for these shoes. Bottom of the shoes on this one. And yeah, let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below on these. Just get some interaction on the videos. Trying to keep them short, sweet, to the point, guys, so y'all can see. If you have any other questions, feel free to hit me on IG, throw me a follow, do what y'all want on there. So with all that being said though, guys, stay safe, stay blessed. I said best, blessed, and I will catch y'all in the next video. Peace.